Hi, this is Ian from Blog in a Box, and in today's tutorial we're going to be learning how to optimize our page and blog posts so that they're as search engine friendly as possible. So what I've done in this example is I've created a new page. Now it doesn't matter whether it's a page or a post, they both work in the same way, and I'm going to focus on the keywords basket weaving in London. So if I was a basket weaver and was based in London, and I thought that anybody looking to find my business or my blog would be typing the words basket weaving in London into Google, they would be my target keywords. So first things first, you want to make sure that your keywords are in the title of your page or your post, like this. Then you also want to make sure that your keywords are in your permalink. So you can see that the web page is called educate.bloginabox.net / and then it says basket weaving in London. Then the next thing we want to do in the body of our text is make sure that we've got our keyword in heading 1, that we do by clicking on this formatting button here. Then the next thing we want to do is make sure that our keywords are in the first paragraph. So as you can see in our first paragraph, it says this is a demonstration of how to optimize your page or blog post to be search engine friendly, and it's all about basket weaving in London. So you can see our keyword appears in the first paragraph. Then the next thing we want to do is have the next heading in heading 2, like this, and that also needs to contain our keywords but not be the same. So something like basket weaving in London is the best, so it doesn't, it's not too obvious what we're doing here. Then you carry on with your article, and then once you've done another couple of paragraphs you want another heading, and that heading should now be in heading 3, like that. Okay, so then we come down and we might want to put an image in our blog post or on our page. So what we want to do here is make sure that we've got our keywords in what's called the alt tags of the image. So if you click on the image, you'll get these little 2 icons. So click on the one that looks like a mountain, just like this, and then where it says alternative text, I'm going to change that from blog in a box, and I'm going to call this basket weaving in London, and then I'm going to click update. Okay, and if we just scroll down a little bit further, we also, somewhere in the body of the text, the body of the article or the page, you want to make sure that you've got your keywords basket weaving in London emphasized, so in bold, italic and underlined. Now you need to do this once or twice. And then the other thing, the last thing, is that your keyword should appear in the last paragraph of the page or the article. So I think you get the picture about basket weaving in London. Okay, so that's pretty much it. But there's one more important point that you need to consider, and that is if you write an article like this, Google or any of the other clever search engines will realize that you're just deliberately trying to optimize your page to be picked up on. So another rule of thumb is to make sure that your word count is at least 350 words, so it looks like so it is a proper article or piece of content. And what you're looking for is for your keyword to appear no more than 5% throughout the page or the post, otherwise Google starts to smell a rat. So the best thing to do, my advice would be, the best thing to do is write your page or post as you normally would, and then at the very end, then go back and optimize it using these techniques.